Recording the sewer line here at 2712 East Harvard. Date is March 10th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out in the yard. Pulling back through the Seattle City main right now. Coming up out of the main here, I'm going to zero out my footage and come back and get a liner footage for the line. We're in 6-inch diameter concrete here. Come back around a turn, we've got some roots and a hole in the pipe there. You can see there's a pretty good sized hole on the bottom left side of the pipe that's allowing sewage to leave the pipe. Coming back now into 4-inch diameter. Let's zero out our footage here. Coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. Clay with quite a bit of roots growing through. Coming up out of the plastic clean out there. Coming up out of the plastic there, it looks like we've got 26 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe. And that's it.